Hello everyone, welcome to ERA Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn about question and answers of lesson Dick Whittington and his cat from class 8 and subject English. Already this lesson is explained in my early video. You can see it, link is already given in description box, so you can see explanation first and then discussion of question and answers. Question number 1. Arrange the following set of the words in the alphabetical order in your notebook. So here some words are given and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Now whenever we are arranging any words in alphabetical order, we have to check first 2-3 alphabets to arrange it in alphabetical order. That means here if you observe, all words are starting with S. So S is common in all words, but second letter which comes, that you have to check according to alphabet, that means A B C D. So here first, and you have to check third letter also, along with first third letter also you have to check, and like that you can arrange this in alphabetical order. Already it is arranged, so you can copy it down directly. In question number 1b, remove the affixes. Affixes means the word which are added before the word, that is prefix, and which are added after the word, those are suffix. So you have to remove both prefix and suffix, and you have to write down the root word, that means original word. Successful, success. Immediately, immediate. Retrace, trace. Mouser, mouse. Unfriendly, friend. Fallen, fall. Unkind, kind. Wooden, wood. Luckily, luck. Belonging, belong. So these are the root words. Question number 2a. Find from the story one word for the following. First one, a small room just below a sloping roof, that is attic. A very narrow passage between buildings, alley. The highest ranking officer in the municipality of a city or town, mayor. The highest ranking official who commands a ship, captain. An animal that catches mice, mouser. A low constant sound made by cats, purr. Question number 2b. Make sentences of your own using the following expressions. Overcome. Overcome. We must learn to overcome our problems. You can make your own sentences. Here I have given some example only. Put up with. Sometimes we have to put up with a lot of nonsense. Bargain. My auntie loved to bargain with hawkers. So you can make your own sentences. Question number 3. Rearrange the following event as they occur in the story. Put the correct number in the boxes. Now you know the story. So in this story, which event occur when, that you know. Accordingly you have to arrange the sentences by giving correct number to it. So which sentence will come? E. Dick left his village on foot to go to London. Second, a carter gave Dick a lift to London. Third, Dick was homeless, helpless, cold and hungry. Fourth one, Mr. Frisberen provided shelter to Dick. Fifth, Dick bought a cat to get rid of mice. 6. A cat sailed to the African coast. 7. The rats and mice ate up all dinner laid for the king and queen. 8. The captain sold the cat for a very high amount of money. 9. That is last, Dick became rich and later the mayor of London. Okay, like that you have to arrange the correct events. Now question number 5a. Break the words below into syllables. Okay, so already we had one activity during warming up, so that only you have to do here. You have to break the word below into the syllables. Now belonging, be long ing, okay, belonging. Unfriendly, unfriendly. Any, anything. Difficulty. Captain, morning. Citizen, message, mayor, elected. Like that you have to break down the words. Question number 5b. Degrees of comparison of adjective. Now whenever we are using adjective, at that time we are using degrees of comparison, and or degrees of comparison can be used only with the help of adjective only. For example, Yatin is strong, Amit is stronger than Yatin, Praveen is strongest of all. So degrees of comparison are of three types. First is positive degree, in which you can see here Yatin is strong, so strong is used as it is, okay. If you see comparison of Yatin with Amit, at that time strong become stronger, that means er is added to the basic adjective. And in superlative, that means one person is compared with everyone, that is superlative. Praveen is the strongest, so here strong, along with strong est is added to show that to show superlative degree, okay. So in first positive degree, that means you are saying common sentence about only one person. In comparative, you are comparing with two people, and in superlative you are comparing with whole group, okay. So let us complete the table of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Great, greater, greatest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Easy, easier, easiest. Bad, worse, worst. Poor, poorest, poorer and poorest. Here poorer should be there. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Little, less, least. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Popular, more popular, most popular. Now in question number 6, select any one of the famous personality mentioned in warming up. So in warming up, 4 personalities are mentioned on page number 5. First is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, second is Abraham Lincoln, third is Charlie Chaplin, and the fourth one is Kalpana Chawla. So any one you have to select out of these 4 famous personalities. From the library or internet, find out their success story and write it in your own words in about 20 to 30 lines of your notebook, okay, and give a suitable title to your write up, okay. So that is your activity you have to do. I hope that everybody might have understood all questions and answer. If you have any problem, any difficulty, please write down in comment box so that I will try to solve your problem. And keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel, and be ready, be eager for my new videos. Thank you.